Hello everyone, this is Sean Miller, aka Harry Tubman, the Mel Harriet, Phase 1, Free the Slaves. And what I'm going to do in this segment is just break down the basic aspects of the law, how to use the law library if you're considering doing your own law work. Here's the introduction. You don't have to know anything about the law to begin working on your case. Everyone has to start somewhere. After reading this, you won't feel uncomfortable in the law library and will be able to use many of the available books with ease. You may then conduct legal research to learn what your rights are and how to protect them. Far too often, people are left to glean whatever knowledge they can from poorly drawn general purpose, fill-in-the-blank forms, and inadequate legal professors. Such is the struggle for anyone attempting serious litigation on their own. Most people most people don't have general knowledge of how to conduct their own legal work or basic knowledge of the law. There are certain basic ideas which every pro se litigant should understand before undertaking any kind of legal action. And that's basically the basis of how to do legal research, what it entails, what a case is, and basically the foundation of law. I'm talking about precedent cases and facts, etc., etc. Legal research is based on facts. Without them, the law is meaningless. The most common mistake of pro se litigants is to fail to state the facts clearly and adequately for the court. This is why it's important, very important, in regards to what you say in interrogations. These is known as facts. This is what determines what you're charged with, etc., etc. So anything you say can and will be used against you. And even in dealing with appeals and stuff like that, you have to be aware about stating facts. Because the facts in different situations, I guess that's what is used to draw conclusions and actually analyze the law and go from there. However, there is no magic pill to legal research. It is usually a long and arduous task. You first must learn how to find a case, and once found, how to use the research aids included in reports to analyze the case on point and analyzing and evaluating them quickly. This is, in my view, one of the main reasons why lawyers charge so much, because most of, I would say 85% of law work in general is the legal research. Basically finding a case that matches yours or similar to yours, and then using the law that was in there and applying it to your situation. This in turn sometimes creates precedent cases. Precedent cases is usually uh, different situations that new law could come out and stuff like that, where constitutional violations has been met. So legal research is very important. And I really stress that in this presentation. Each case has its own individual citation, consisting of the volume and page number of the report where the decision first appears. The citation will tell you in abbreviated form where to find the case. An example would be the case Ramos versus Lamb, 485 Federal Supplement 122, D. Colorado, 1979. If you open volume 485 of the Federal Supplement of page 122, you will find the names of the parties, Ramos versus Lamb, at the top of the column where the case begins. Under this is an unofficial summary of the case called a synopsis, written by a member of the publishing company. This basically consists of the holding, basically, which means what the court concluded in the case. Um, and this is what establishes the law in regards to that situation. So, like I said, reading these cases is very important. It's a very prudent factor in legal research or any type of legal litigation. Research is the primary, work, the main work that will be done in it. So, in order to be really effective, you have to have the right research. Research the cases, research the situation properly. For more detailed info in regards to this information, the following page reveals in more detail, step-by-step information on how to marshal the facts, find and read cases, citations, research aids from a case, brief the case, litigate the case. To view more, log on to generatingopportunities.net, where you will find different information on legal writing and how do you put all of this together so it can make sense. Because it's not about trying to get over on a system and use technicalities and all that other stuff that you're going to get over. It's about learning what to do and how to combat your situation if a violation of your rights occur. So please log on generatingopportunities.net. Even though the site is still being built, it's still added on information. Just view the videos under God First TV and Basic Law. Thanks for tuning in. This is Sean Miller, aka Harry Tubman, the Male Harriet. Free the Slaves, Phase 1. Time to wake up.